crowd one?
Crowd one. Now we are eating the money for crowd one. I said, ladies and gentlemen, come and make money with crowd one. Oh, Bori man.
Wow.
Walala.
Wasala.
This is crowd.
Wow.
So how's it, guys? Angelo Black, all the way from Cape Town. You know, when I saw this concept, I had 126 rand in my bank account. Then a very good friend of mine showed me crowd one, and what he did was he changed my life. And because of that, you know, I was able to buy this little toy. And life has totally changed. And all I can say is, you know, I'm the first millionaire in my family from December till now.
Lalelani. Nangucho ufikile uvuke ngebhasi. Thank you Mpilo, thank you crowd one. Asiyabonga mfana nali bhasi crowd one. Mina ngimubuthi ngavela icamera manje ngivuke ekseni uzongivusa nge-crowd one bus. Our crowd one. Yeah, boy.
Yo, with your boy Kai, aka Mr. Getting It Done Day by Day. Listen up, I started this concept about 3 months ago. Made a couple of thousands. In that couple of thousands, bought me this new baby, this beast, 335i twin turbo BM. And no, I don't believe in finance, so no, I don't owe the bank zotes. Let's get it. Crowd one, baby. Let's go, president.
Also, let's join crowd one and do the business, because with crowd one impossible is nothing. This is done in Zongwen in Goine. This is where we are coming from this house, as you can see, and we'll be migrating to this house. It's another one.
Amanda Ani ma. Thank you.